XP3. This is the world's smallest jump starter and portable power supply. It's so small it fits in your pocket, but so powerful it will jump start any motorcycle or power sports vehicle, including cars and trucks. In terms of size, it's 5 inches long, 2.8 inches wide, and an inch thick. We developed the MicroStart so that riders, drivers, campers, or even the everyday person can carry an extremely compact device that's so small it'll fit in their pocket, yet give them the security of knowing that they're going to be able to start their vehicle wherever they are, or make that important phone call if their cell phone runs out of battery power. The PPS that you see on the cover stands for Portable Power Supply, and basically how it operates is you would charge it once and be able to take your power with you wherever you go. As I said, the MicroStart is so small it'll fit in your pocket, but it also only weighs 14 ounces, so there's no real reason not to carry this as a backup power source when you're out in the middle of nowhere riding or driving or whatever. Now I'd like to go over some of the features of the MicroStart. On the end panel, you'll see a flashlight. If you hold the power button down for 3 seconds, the flashlight turns on. One click, the strobe light will go on. Another click, an SOS pattern beacon will go on. It's a very bright, high discharge LED lamp. In addition, you will notice the USB 5-volt output. This is capable of charging any USB device, be it cell phones, iPads, Kindles, tablets, Bluetooth devices, and others. This will charge them all. Here is the charging port for the MicroStart. And last, what you'll notice is the jump start port. A set of mini jumper clamps that's included with the MicroStart XP3 kit plug directly into this port and allow you to jump start your motorcycle, power sports vehicle, boat, car, truck, or whatever. Included in the MicroStart XP3 kit is a USB cable featuring 3 of the most widely used tips for charging electronics: the micro USB, the mini USB tip, and the 30-pin Apple tip. This allows you to charge most USB devices, or you can use your own cables to charge your specific device. These are the mini jumper clamps that come with the MicroStart XP3. You would take the cable end and plug it into the MicroStart's jump start port to be able to jump start your vehicle. The MicroStart XP3 comes with 2 chargers. One for mobile charging, which shown here can be used with your cigarette lighter in your car, and also a model that allows you to plug in at home or wherever there's power or a receptacle. And last, the MicroStart does come with a full set of instructions that explain the details I've went over and goes into other operation of the unit.